In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set API key in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio by searching for it in Google. Once the search results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. This will take you into the workspace where you can manage prompts, projects, and API access. After you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the key icon. This icon is where you manage your API keys, so click on it to open the API key section. If this is your first time here, don't worry, the layout is straightforward and everything you need is in one place. Next, click on Create API Key. This begins the process of generating a new key for your account. You'll then be asked to type in a name for the new key. Choose a name that helps you recognize what the key will be used for. For example, you might label it based on the app, website, or project where it will be used. Clear naming makes things much easier to manage later. After naming the key, choose an imported project. This step connects the API key to the correct project environment, so make sure you select the one you want to work with. Once that's done, click Create Key. Google AI Studio will generate the key and display the API key details on screen. At this point, you'll be able to review the information associated with the new key. To actually use the key, click the Copy Key icon. That will copy the API key so you can paste it into your application, script, or configuration file. As a helpful note, once the key is generated, it is automatically bound and activated for prompts run inside that specific AI Studio account workspace. One important tip before you go: keep your API key private and store it somewhere secure. That's how to set an API key in Google AI Studio.